Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Crypto fans, in this video, I will take you throughout the process of buying Trump coin on Kraken in 2025. Kraken is a trusted platform, and in this video, we'll show you exactly how to get started with it. Stick around for the full guide. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. Normally guys, one of the main things that I do before going into any kind of platforms or buying tokens is to check if the platform that I'm going to use actually has the token as an option to buy. So here on your browser, just search for Kraken Trump or your platform plus the token that you want to buy, and then click on the first link to check if it is available. So now we just have to wait a couple of seconds and the live chart should be opened, and we don't really have to, because yeah, it shows to us right here that we could actually buy it. So yeah, it is available, which is great news. So what I'm gonna do is to actually start by signing up. So let's do that real quick. Here you have to sign up by putting some couple of affirmations. So here put your email, and here here let's choose this. All right, here accept, and here let's just put a password. So choose your own. Let's hide this. Oh, choose my own. What? Yes, okay. So let's choose here some kind of password. Let's add. Okay, create account, and let's save the password. So here they will send us an email into our inbox. So let's check our inbox for any new email. This is not the one. Let's wait. Activate account to activate it. Okay, here it is. Copy this and paste it right here. Activate account, and the account should be created very easily. Now we have to get verified. To get verified, we have to put a couple of informations like here first name, last name, and etc. So let's go through them. Here I'm just gonna go with random things for now, for the sake of video, and I'm gonna put a random year and random number and occupation. Let's choose like here I don't know, industry, agriculture, and click on continue. Here salary, how do you plan spots, here let's go like that. Here expected monthly withdrawals less than 10,000, less than 10,000, expected monthly trade less than 10. Is there anything else to do? Okay, continue. Here's salary, and let's continue. And just like that, we have created our account. We still have to verify it because we didn't get verification. So here we are legally required to collect these informations. So we need to actually upload a photo of us with an ID to here, and then once we are done with everything from here, we will get the option where we are on the Kraken platform, and where we can actually get to buy anything that we want. Now let's go to Kraken websites. Normally I'm gonna skip the verification process and I'm going to get exactly through the video. So here we are on Kraken. Once you open this page, you have a couple of options. The first one is the main one that you are going to use in this video, which is buy. So click on here and you have able to buy. You have to deposit crypto. Now the options to actually buy crypto in here is very limited to deposit. Deposit, which means there is no P2P like other platforms, which is person to person, where you can literally just connect with other people and talk to them, and basically they're gonna sell you something. But here, otherwise, you are going to actually deposit or withdraw. Deposit means that you already have tokens in another platform, and then you are going to transfer these tokens from that platform into here. So this is what deposit for, and withdraw is the vice versa. So you're gonna get the tokens that you own in here and send them to the other platform. So here, let's say that you have tokens in here, you have deposits, and everything is going good. What you have to do next is to convert. So convert is pretty simple. Let's say that you have couple of amounts of USDT, then you simply will convert your USDT into Trump token. It's very simple, and as you can see here, in case you would like to buy like tokens without deposits, you can find them right here. You can go and buy them through here. Now, what if we don't want to go through this? What if we want to get into the graphs and see the token itself? Well, as I said at the beginning, just type Kraken Trump and you will be taken to this page. This page will allow you to actually buy the official Trump token right through here. The best thing about it is you can actually find it with its own price and get to choose how much you're gonna pay, market cap, and other information that are going to really help you throughout your buying process and basically help you a little bit with your decision making when it comes to the token. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.